Welcome to Atlanta, Georgia, where precision meets power in the world of tree and debris cleanup. Today, we're joining forces with Southern Tree Pros and Apex Equipment to showcase the remarkable capabilities of the custom-built Apex Grapple Truck. Watch as we tackle an array of challenges from heavy logs and unruly brush to stubborn stumps and scattered debris, and even some insight on what Southern Tree Pros thinks of their Apex-built Rotobec Grapple Truck. Whether you're in landscaping, tree services, or disaster relief services, this video is packed with insights and action. So gear up and stay tuned as Apex and Southern Tree Pros demonstrate the efficiency and versatility of the Apex-built Rotobec Grapple Truck in the field. Let's get started.
I'm Ben Ellis, owner-operator here at Southern Tree Professionals. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, Vinings area, and we've been in business about 13 years. We got this grapple truck about 3 years ago. Probably should have done it about 10 years ago, but it's changed our game for us, picking up all types of debris from the logs, from the tree service, to land clearing, picking up stumps, green waste. We do a lot of stuff with it other than tree debris. We run a Rotobec 910 loader on it. It's been a game changer also, and there's not many issues at all with it. It's stood up to all kinds of loads, stumps, and debris. We're pretty pleased with Apex for building the truck and Rotobec with a great loader for our business.
My name is Roberto Granados. Been with Ben Ellis for about 7 years now. Done jobs from roadways, residentials, picked up logs, done road closures where they close the road for us. It's been essential without skid steers, having to move stuff. Basically, it's like a 3-in-1. It's efficient because, like we were talking about earlier, we've been able to do jobs that require a lot of people to minimize it down to just one truck, one person, one trip. It's got enough power to pick up logs, stumps, everything that we would need an excavator for, a dozer for. It's able to handle it by itself. So the body itself, the way it's built, we're allowed to put each and every piece inside the bed. In the different types of situations, it's been really good on the road. Whenever we're parked on the road, they do road closures so the legs don't extend as far as where we're blocking traffic, evading traffic. The arm's able to reach around and under cables also, so that's also been a big help in tight situations. Also off-road, it's been efficient. It's got the ability to lock the differentials, so it becomes basically off-road. So it's got the power to do on-road and off-road, so it runs smooth. There's no problems with it. I've been running it for about maybe 8 months now. No problems at all.